In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your signature in Outlook. A polished email signature helps your messages look professional and ensures your contact information is clear and consistent. I'll walk you through the process for both the new Outlook and Outlook on the web, and then for the classic Outlook desktop app, so you can follow along no matter which version you're using. If you're using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, start by clicking the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Depending on your layout, you'll either go to Accounts and then Signatures, or you'll go to Mail and then Compose and Reply. Both paths take you to the same place where you manage signatures. From there, select the signature you want to edit. If you don't have one yet, choose the option to create a new signature and give it a clear name so you can recognize it later. In the editing box, update your text and adjust the formatting. You can change fonts and sizes, add links, or include a small, web-friendly image if appropriate. Keep things concise and accessible. Use standard fonts, avoid oversized graphics, and make sure your links are easy to read. When you're happy with the content, look for the checkboxes or drop-downs at the bottom that let you choose whether this signature is used by default for new messages, for replies and forwards, or both. Set the defaults the way you want, then click Save. It's a good idea to open a new message afterward to make sure the signature appears as expected. If you're using the classic Outlook desktop app, open Outlook and click the File tab. Choose Options, then select Mail. In the Mail settings, click the Signatures button to open the Signatures and Stationery window. In the list of signatures, pick the one you want to edit, or create a new one if needed. Use the Edit Signature box to make your changes. The formatting toolbar lets you adjust font style, size, color, and alignment, and you can add hyperlinks or a small image if it suits your brand. When you're done, click Save, then click OK to close the windows. Compose a new email to confirm your changes appear the way you intended. A few best practices as you wrap up: keep your signature brief, make sure any images are optimized for email, and test by sending yourself a quick message. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.